Network of New York, a network of organizations that provide services and resources for people who engage in sex work. I'm also the Director of Education and Training at the Center for HIV Educational Studies and Training at CUNY Hunter College. Thank you to New York City Council members Menchaca and Williams for their leadership on this important issue. The PROS Network worked with the New York City Department of Health to produce research that shows the impact of the use of condoms as evidence on the health and safety of sex workers. Almost half of the sex workers we interviewed reported that they have had their condoms confiscated or destroyed by the NYPD. This practice is not some small inconvenience. 40% of the sex workers interviewed went on to engage in sex work without a condom due to the actions of our city's police force. The PROS Network is encouraged to see that the NYPD is taking steps to stop the practice of using condoms as evidence for certain charges related to sex work. Admitting there is a problem is the first step towards making changes. The NYPD statement does not go far enough. We need comprehensive statewide legislation to ensure that no one anywhere in New York State has to fear arrest or harassment for carrying condoms. As far as I'm aware, this is the only city in the world that has its own branded condoms. Our health department has invested in advertisement to promote condom use on billboards, bus stops, and the subway all over the city. Condoms are available through nonprofit organizations, HIV research centers, schools, doctors' offices, restaurants, bars, and even in some police precincts. There is a disconnect when one institution is investing heavily in distributing condoms and promoting their use, and another is confiscating condoms and arresting or harassing those who are taking the sound advice of our health professionals. There are no laws in this city or state that make condoms illegal. However, our research has shown that the practice of confiscating condoms has in effect criminalized condom possession. Condoms are a cheap and effective way of protecting people from pregnancy, HIV/AIDS, hepatitis, and many STIs. Whether you're a person engaging in sex work, a transgender or gender nonconforming person, gay or bisexual, a young person of color, or anyone else in New York State, you have the right to protect yourself and the person you are with. Our health department has realized this. It is time for our elected officials to back the message of the Access to Condoms Coalition and to pass this bill because condoms are a human right and taking away condoms flies in the face of what makes most sense.